doesn't have this IKEA shower head yet. I would truly feel sorry for them. This new product launched in October. And the second one is only 6 SGD. It features 5 adjustable settings, making it very convenient. The mist mode feels incredibly soft and gentle on the skin, suitable for children and infants. Once installed, it transforms your home shower from a small stream to a powerful flow. The back is made from high-temperature resistant ABS material, and it is compatible with solar water heaters, plastic pipes, and stainless steel pipes. Take advantage of the manufacturer's current promotion and click the link below to purchase.